Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am introducing you to the new Kiara bag by Toby Stylex. Let me show you some of the features of this bag. So this is like two bags in one. So you've got a pouch here that has a zipper pocket on the inside. You've got one on the back. This one I have done with a magnetic snap closure. Mirrors the first one. It has two secret slip pockets, one here and one on this side as well. It's a super unique bag. One of the really cool features of this bag is the handle. So it's a chain, but if you pull it like this, you've got two handles for a great handbag. But if you pull it all the way through like this, you've got a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag, depending how long you make the chain. So again, to make it into two straps, you just have to pull this and then you have two. Anyways, if you would like one of these bags made with your choices of fabrics, faux leathers, and hardwares, you know what to do. All my information is down below. And if you're part of my bag makers community, there's a tutorial on this one. If it's not up yet, it will be up shortly. Anyways, catch you guys on the next one. Bye.